Hello, it's Malcolm here. And with the triangle problem, you've had to look at the convincing argument that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, but you're probably asking yourself, how could you come up with that yourself? And so let's consider the problem. Imagine that you were given the question, do the angles in a triangle add up to something? How would you actually tackle that problem? Well, the first thing you'd probably do is to specialise. One way in which you might specialise is to use a GeoGebra construction. You can see here I've constructed a triangle in GeoGebra and got it to add up the angles. Now, if I vary the vertices and hence draw lots and lots of triangles effectively, I can see what the angle sum is, and it always is 180 degrees. So I seem pretty convinced now that the angle sum is 180 degrees. But I still need a convincing argument because it's quite possible that there's a triangle that I haven't drawn here, that I haven't considered, whose angle sum isn't 180 degrees. So what I have to do now is I have to go back to my problem and think again, how could I come up with a convincing argument? So what I will do in that case is I will specialise again, but this time trying to work out why the angle sum is 180 degrees rather than what the angle sum is. Now, if you've done a lot of geometry, have a lot of geometry experience, you would know that making construction lines, adding in construction lines might help with your proof. And that's where I would go back. But remember at this stage, the problem is still not completely finished. It's not finished until I come up with a convincing argument.